All right, so let's look at this problem. It says in the figure, the lines L and M are parallel lines, and they're parallel lines, S and T are parallel. So in other words, this is parallel to this, right? And then these lines are parallel to these, right? So then it says if the measure of one is 35 degrees, what's the measure of angle two? Now remember, Mr. Adams shared, for those of you that I taught geometry, what did Mr. Adams used to say last year? What does a big plus a small equal on transversals? 180. Ah, very funny. She said a medium. No, it equals 180. So what is this angle, angle one? Is that a big or a small? That's a small. What is angle two? That's a big one, right? So just to refresh your memory, Mr. Adams said all the smalls are congruent, all the bigs are congruent, and that a big plus a small equals 180. In other words, angle 2 plus angle 1 should add up to 180. But they told us that angle 1 was 35 degrees. And we don't know what angle 2 is, so we're going to solve by subtracting 35 degrees from both sides. So I get angle 2 is actually equal to 180 minus 35, which is 145 degrees. It's too easy. I don't think you guys understand. This is what I do. I do math.